For much of the 20th century, the U.S. military relied on powerful, full-sized rifle cartridges such as the 7.62 by 51mm NATO round. Weapons like the M14 rifle were designed around this ammunition, offering long-range power and penetration. Yet, by the 1960s, the U.S. military began replacing the 7.62 cartridge with the much smaller and lighter 5.56 by 45mm round, primarily fired through the M16 rifle. The transition was controversial at the time and remains debated today. Still, military historians and defense analysts generally agree that the switch was driven by practical battlefield realities rather than simple fashion or cost-cutting. According to multiple defense studies and historical analyses, the move to 5.56mm ammunition reflected changing ideas about infantry combat, soldier mobility, logistics, recoil control, and combat effectiveness. One of the biggest reasons for the switch was weight. The 7.62 NATO round was powerful but heavy. Soldiers carrying ammunition for rifles, such as the M14, could only carry a limited number of rounds before their combat load became exhausting. In contrast, 5.56mm cartridges were significantly lighter and smaller, allowing troops to carry far more ammunition without increasing the burden on their bodies. According to defense historians, this was especially important during the Vietnam War, when American troops often conducted long patrols through difficult jungle terrain. Military planners realized that infantry combat rarely occurred at the extremely long ranges for which 7.62mm cartridge had been optimized. Studies conducted after World War II and during the Korean War suggested that most firefights happened within 300 meters. At those distances, the lighter 5.56mm round could still be highly lethal while offering major advantages in recoil and ammunition capacity. Another major factor was recoil control. The 7.62mm NATO cartridge generated substantial recoil, especially during automatic fire. Soldiers firing the M14 in full auto often found it difficult to control accurately. The lighter recoil of the 5.56mm cartridge made rifles easier to handle, improved rapid-fire accuracy, and increased the likelihood of hitting targets during combat. According to defense experts, this meant average infantrymen could fire more accurately under battlefield stress. The development of the AR-15 platform, which later became the M16, also played a critical role. Designed by Eugene Stoner, the rifle was lightweight, modern, and chambered for the new high-velocity 5.56mm cartridge. The weapon used aluminum and synthetic materials, making it significantly lighter than traditional battle rifles made from steel and wood. Early testing showed that soldiers equipped with the AR-15 could carry more ammunition and maintain higher rates of accurate fire than troops armed with heavier 7.62mm rifles. The Pentagon became increasingly interested in a small-caliber, high-velocity cartridge during the 1950s. The military wanted a round that could travel fast enough to maintain effectiveness while reducing recoil and weight. This led to the development of the .223 Remington cartridge, which later evolved into the standardized 5.56 by 45mm NATO round. Defense researchers found that the high velocity of the smaller bullet allowed it to inflict serious wounds despite its smaller size. Combat experience in Vietnam accelerated the transition. Jungle warfare emphasized mobility, rapid engagements, and lightweight equipment. Many soldiers found the M14 too heavy and cumbersome in dense vegetation. The lighter M16 and its ammunition were easier to carry on long patrols, allowing soldiers to carry almost twice as many rounds for the same weight. The switch was not without problems. Early M16 rifles suffered reliability issues in Vietnam, largely because of changes in gunpowder and inadequate maintenance training. Critics of the new rifle argued that the smaller cartridge lacked stopping power, compared to the heavier 7.62mm round. Some soldiers distrusted the lighter bullet and preferred the proven power of older battle rifles. However, later improvements to the M16 platform resolved many reliability issues, and the weapon eventually became one of the most widely used rifles in military history. NATO standardization also influenced the transition. During the Cold War, the United States sought to have allied nations use common ammunition to ensure logistical compatibility. NATO had originally standardized the 7.62 by 51mm cartridge in the 1950s, but many countries later recognized the advantages of smaller intermediate cartridges. By 1980, NATO officially adopted the 5.56 by 45mm round as a standard infantry cartridge, reflecting the growing dominance of assault rifles over traditional battle rifles. The change also reflected evolving military doctrine. Earlier military thinking emphasized long-range marksmanship, with infantry rifles expected to engage targets at distances of hundreds of meters. By the Vietnam era, military strategists increasingly focused on volume of fire, maneuverability, and rapid engagement at shorter ranges. In that environment, a lighter rifle firing controllable bursts of ammunition became more valuable than a heavy rifle optimized for long-distance shooting. Logistics provided another compelling reason for the switch. Lighter ammunition reduced transportation burdens across the entire military supply chain. Aircraft, trucks, and infantry units could carry more rounds while weighing less. This increased operational efficiency and allowed frontline troops to remain supplied during extended operations. Defense analysts often point out that modern warfare depends heavily on logistics, making ammunition weight a critical factor in military planning. Despite the success of the 5.56mm round, debates over caliber effectiveness never disappeared. Critics argue that 7.62mm ammunition offers superior range, penetration, and stopping power, especially against barriers or armored opponents. Supporters of 5.56mm argue that lighter recoil, greater ammunition capacity, and better controllability make it more effective in most infantry combat situations. Modern battlefield developments, including widespread body armor, have even led the U.S. military to explore newer calibers, such as 6.8mm, under programs like the Next Generation Squad Weapon Initiative. Still, the historical reasons behind the original switch remain clear. The U.S. military moved from 7.62mm to 5.56mm because the newer cartridge allowed soldiers to carry more ammunition, shoot more accurately under stress, maneuver more effectively, and better match the realities of modern infantry combat. While the debate over rifle calibers continues today, the adoption of the 5.56mm round fundamentally reshaped military small arms doctrine